Do you link Bitcoin wholly into criminal activity? And do you consider the new price appreciation of Bitcoin to be speculative?
Well, I certainly think I agree that it's speculative. I've been a Bitcoin skeptic, and certainly the price has gone up, but there's sort of an ultimate question of what's the use. Is it just valuable because people think it's valuable? That is a bubble that would blow up. I can see Bitcoin being used in failed states. It's conceivable, it could have some use in a dystopian future. But I think the governments are not going to allow pseudonymous transactions on a big scale. They're just not going to allow it. The regulation will come in. The government will win. It doesn't matter what the technology is. And so I think, over the long run, if there's not a use, yes, the bubble will burst. I hope there's not such a valuable use, but I suppose it's a hedge against dystopia.
Would you advise Secretary Yellen at Treasury that the U.S. should be proactive in instituting that regulation, which could collapse the price of cryptocurrency?
Well, they are. Yeah, yes. I mean, that's just true across the board. It needs to be regulated. Some of the perhaps stable coins will, make it through this. But I think, of course, every central bank's working on this. I'm in the G30. We did a report on this. So, I wouldn't say it so crudely as just to say, make the price go down. That's not the purpose. But, you need to have the transactions obey the same kinds of information regulations as everything else. So I think governments are on it. It's not being used that widely, and I suspect, although the Bitcoin lobbyists have been successful in getting it in some places, that won't last.